I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to take mid-upper arm circumference. First, ensure the individual is relaxed, either standing or sitting comfortably. Next, locate the midpoint of their upper arm. This is found precisely between the bony prominence at the shoulder, called the acromion, and the tip of the elbow, known as the Olcranen process. Finally, select a non-stretchable, flexible measuring tape for accuracy. Once the midpoint is identified, gently wrap the measuring tape around the arm. Make sure the tape lies flat against the skin, without any twists or folds. It's crucial that the tape is neither too tight, which could constrict the arm, nor too loose, which would give an inaccurate reading. Read the measurement where the 0 mark meets the rest of the tape, recording it to the nearest 1 millimeter. Understanding the measurements is key. A mid-upper arm circumference, or MUAC, reading below 115 millimeters indicates severe acute malnutrition, requiring urgent attention. Readings between 115 and 125 millimeters suggest moderate acute malnutrition. Conversely, a MUAC above 125 millimeters generally signifies a well-nourished status, which is a positive indicator for health. For consistent and reliable results, always use the same arm for measurements, preferably the left arm, as it's often the non-dominant one. Regular training is essential to maintain proficiency in the technique, ensuring accuracy across all assessments. Lastly, record all measurements immediately and precisely. This meticulous approach is vital for proper tracking of nutritional status over time and for effective intervention planning.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.